Hi, I'm Ian. The Oyster completely redefines how to use a cooler. I'll try and give you some examples. Because of its efficiency and ability to cool down almost immediately, it's great for spur-of-the-moment situations like grocery shopping or a quick trip to the beach. Just put some cold stuff in there and it's going to be fine for some hours. The more cold stuff you put in here, the longer it's going to stay cold. If you're planning a longer trip or it's really hot outside, you might want to consider using ice packs, a watertight container filled with ice cubes, or a frozen bottle of water. I always find a frozen bottle of water to come in handy on longer trips. At normal summer temperatures, one Oyster ice pack provides over 10 hours of fridge temperatures in your cooler. So if you're going on a weekend trip, 4 ice packs should do the job. So wrapping up, the Oyster introduces a new level of flexibility and predictability. Now you only add ice for the duration of your trip. And for shorter trips, you most likely don't need any ice at all.